Hello, everyone. Lucknow Tigers Lady Circle 137 welcomes you to today's session. Joining us today is this very inspiring woman, Mrs. Luna Jaiswal. Welcome, Mrs. Luna. With more than 15 years of experience in health and nutrition, Mrs. Luna Jaiswal holds a degree in dietetics and nutrition and also specializes in sports nutrition. She's been actively working in the field of weight management and lifestyle disorders via AdLife, which is a nutrition counseling center located in Lucknow. The principle that she chooses to live by is moderate eating, healthy living. She believes that eating the right food in the right amount is the most important decision a person can take for their health. And today, we're definitely going to learn more about her principles and get a lot of information from her. To take the session forward, I request Circular Niyati to please open the session with asking questions. Over to you, Niyati.
Thank you so much, Neha. A very warm welcome, Mrs. Luna, and thank you so much for joining us today. The last 2 years have made us realize that the importance of nutrition and health in our systems. And there's a lot we all want to understand about our nutrition requirements and our kids' nutrition requirements in COVID times. So without much await, Luna, please, uh, we'll start with our first questions that we all have.
Before that, I would like to thank all of you all for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. Circle has always been very close to my heart. So thank you so much. It's like coming home. Being like circlers is like coming home. Thank you so much.
It's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. So, ma'am, the first question that we had for today is that could you please share some insight on the importance of nutrition for immunity building? And what would be the key good and bad foods that we should all know about?
All right. So, first and foremost, I would like to bring this in your notice that बच्चे के जो 1800 days होते हैं शुरू के, it is for their brain development, and 1000 days जो होते हैं उनकी organ development के होते हैं. तो जो भी बच्चा इस वक्त खाता है उसकी ऑर्गन की हेल्थ और फ्यूचर की हेल्थ डिटरमिन करने में बहुत बड़ा रोल रखती है. So now you understand the importance of nutrition in these primitive years because this decides the future of child's health. And as far as immunity is concerned, it's not built in one day. Immunity is like a balanced diet, healthy cooking, good habits. ये सब मिलाकर immunity बनती है. But बच्चे की already inbuilt immunity होती है. Right from the day he is born. What you can ensure with good food that the immunity stays intact. So now that you've asked me for good food and bad food, I'll start with bad 3 foods. So preserved मत दीजिए, packaged नहीं दीजिए, and too much sugary. If you talk about good food in a nutshell, so a balanced diet comprises of carbohydrate, protein, and fat, and of course the micronutrients. So if I talk about 3 good food, like 3 good carbohydrates, so that will be millets, grains, fruits, and vegetables. If you talk about protein, then chena, dals, legumes, and egg. And fats, so ghee, coconut, नारियल का एक टुकड़ा, and also nuts and seeds. So when you talk about health and if you don't talk about gut, it is like incomplete because you are what you digest. You may be eating very well but may not be digesting it well. So the food doesn't get assimilated. So here the importance of good food, seasonal, regional, all nutrition come in play. So a balanced approach to health will always keep the child's immunity in place, wherein the healthy cooking method and habits also matters.
Absolutely. You're absolutely, right about the balanced part. And the same, like, if we talk about, as mothers, we feel so responsible about their health and as food habits, and food habits of our children. How should we inculcate good food habits in them?
So good food habits, सबसे पहले you will have to make them aware and understand that this is good and this is bad, and why this is good and why this is bad. Why can this good, if you have a good eating habit and an active, the child is active, then that can lead to better concentration, better health. And how bad food impact, in prolonged use of bad food can impact their health. अभी child obesity से लेकर के you can see, so many young people dying. अभी न्यूज़ में आप देखते ही होंगे. सो वो उसका स्टोन तो इधर ही, उसकी नींव तो इधर ही रख दी जाती है. So if you make the child aware of good food and bad food, then of course you can inculcate good habits. Secondly, the child will always ape you. Supposing he or she sees a father grabbing something and jaldi jaldi khate hue nikal rahe hain kaam ke liye, every morning the child is seeing, or for that mother is also feeding and the child is running. pehle aisa hota tha covid se pehle. So these habits will not take their health to long way. So you must also understand कि वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको एप करते हैं खाने में, और आपकी हैबिट्स अगर अच्छी हैं तो वो भी इनकलकेट करते हैं. इसके अलावा मेक श्योर द डाइट इज इन अ वे कि एक सीजनल फ्रूट और एक सीजनल वेजिटेबल रोजाना उसकी डाइट में है. सो दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, और ग्रेजुअली आपके बच्चे की हैबिट फिर बदलती है.
Yes, surely. Well, this is not a one-day process कि हम फटाफट से we can just get it going. It is a long process which all of us as a family, I think we need to work as a strategy to ensure that the child is also eating well.
Absolutely.
Right. And children nowadays are very fussy about their food. This is, I think, one of the major queries you must be also getting as a diet consultant. And we as mothers, this is our major fret point, that we are, feeding them, and they are, they only want to eat the wrong things. So how do we suggest that we remove their aversion of food and make them enjoy a healthy meal? Because we all want to put in the best in them, but वो एक aversion जो है, how do we overcome that?
So basically what happens, you will have to see why the child became fussy. Did you look into the child's interest, need? Were you compassionate? या फिर बस आप फोर्स फीड ही कर रहे थे बच्चे को शुरुआत से? सो अगर बच्चे के इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से आपने नहीं खिलाया और इस वजह से वो फंसी हुए, तो आपको थोड़ा बच्चे के इंटरेस्ट को भी देखना पड़ेगा. अगर रिसर्चेस से आप 8 महीने के बच्चे को अपने अलग से बिठा सकते हैं, वो खुद खाएगा. द चाइल्ड ईट्स बाय, वो खुद खाते हैं. हो सकता है कि शुरू में इधर खाना ले जाए, इधर ले जाए, बट देन दे लर्न, एंड देन व्हेन दे टच द फूड, smell the food by themselves, that they build in relationship with food. But ये हम होने नहीं देते. What we do, we start force feeding, gadget देख, बच्चा टीवी देख रहा है, खा रहा है, तो वो relationship नहीं बनता. Maybe this is the reason of fussy eating, and वो force fed है, उसका money नहीं है. Or the remedy, first see why he is fussy and what can be done. This is to build in a good relationship with your child while he is in terms of food. Secondly, the researchers have confirmed कि एक खाना आप 16 बार उनके सामने अलग अलग तरीके से पेश करते हैं. So it's like quite likely that the child will start eating. Similarly, like my son never used to have Karela, though my sons are very big now. But now I see him eating Karela apne aap se nikal karke. So it is presented every week. It is served and all of us are eating bade chav se. So probably he's picked up and that is his choice. तो अलग अलग तरीके से बनाकर बच्चे के सामने आप खाना रखते हैं, वो चूज करता है, हो सकता है कि उसकी इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हो जाए. दूसरा तरीका ये भी आजकल बहुत सारे मदर्स कर रही हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई आल्सो हैव एडवाइस टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कि यू कैन टेक योर चाइल्ड टू शॉप फॉर वेजिटेबल्स एंड देन यू कैन प्लान, ये बनना है, इसको ऐसे बनना है, दिस रेसिपी इट लुक्स इंटरेस्टिंग. So there is a connection built and probably the child starts liking that food. But there are many things which we also don't eat till date. तो हो सकता है कि उसको अवर्जन ना हो, उसको एक्चुअली वो चीज़ पसंद ना हो, इतना करने के बाद भी बच्चा उसको पिक ही नहीं करता. So don't we have several options? We have several other options. So then go in for that. But you can try this way. Involve your child, build a better relationship in terms of food. So that's how you can build a better eating habit in your child.
Yes, absolutely. I think we've as mothers we have definitely done something which we do it on our own, and we still feel that it's good for the child, but actually it is not helping them become good eaters. So that should help us. And how do we judge that our child's growth is on track and that they are not deprived of any nutrients? Because we feel कि वो एक पराठा अपना पूरा खा ले, या we have this is our preconceived notion कि he is fed properly तो वो growth पे है, but we really don't have any parameters to judge कि उनकी growth is on track or is there any nutrition which is missing from their diet. So any tips on that also?
See, basically, if you're clinically at the child, the age group, height and weight is the parameter. उसके अलावा आप ये देख सकते हैं कि बच्चा एक्टिव है कि नहीं. Whether the child is eating a lot, overeating, भूख खत्म ही नहीं हो रही है, which is not normal, या फिर the child is sleeping a lot, या फिर बच्चा थोड़ा पेल होता जा रहा है, या फिर कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहा है. सो मे बी वो कभी कभी न्यूट्रिशन कभी के अलावा हाइड्रेशन की कमी भी होती है. हम सिर्फ खाने पे जोर देते हैं और हाइड्रेशन पे बिल्कुल भी जोर नहीं देते. तो यू हैव टू एक्चुअली अगेन यू हैव टू एक्चुअली सी. तो अगर लार्जली अगर ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, बच्चा अगर प्रॉपर्ली सो रहा है, टाइम पे खा रहा है, कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहा है, हाइट एंड वेट सही जा रही है, स्किन, नेल, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप ये देखते हैं ना आँख में थोड़ी रेडनेस है. सो अगर ये सारी चीज़ें हैं तो लार्जली द चाइल्ड इज डूइंग गुड. और जहाँ तक मिसिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स की बात है तो दैट कैन बी जज्ड ईच टू वन. ईच साइज विल नॉट फिट ऑल. वो तो फिर ये समझना पड़ेगा कि क्या कमी है और क्या न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी है.
And are there any micronutrients जो generally as a whole you go through with so many patients and so many advices with consultancies? So as a whole, as Indians, what is there anything which we are really missing, all of us, and we are doing it wrong? Yeah, is there something particular which we all should be taking care of?
So I would here give you some tips which you follow. So largely the diet becomes very nutritious. बच्चे के लिए सबसे पहला आयरन इज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि उसकी पूरी ब्लड वॉल्यूम आयरन से ही पे निर्भर करती है. तो आप कुछ सब्जियां जैसे इस वक्त परवल, भिंडी, आलू, एनी साग, एनी सीजनल ऐसी वेजिटेबल्स हम जनरेशन से लोहे की कढ़ाई में बनाते हैं. सो मेक श्योर यू आर मेकिंग दैट इन लोहे की कढ़ाई, so that the child apart from all the other iron the child that you are giving, इसके जरिए भी बच्चे के को आयरन मिले. चने की सब्जी भी बना सकते हैं. बहुत सारे अगर आप सोचेंगे तो बहुत सारे ट्रिक्स आपको समझ आएंगे. आयरन को अब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए विटामिन सी की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. सो राइट नाउ वी हैव मौसमी, पोमेलोज और इस तरीके की, और लेमन्स वगैरह तो रहते ही हैं. आंवला इज जस्ट कमिंग इन द मार्केट. सो विटामिन सी और आयरन का से विटामिन सी देने से बच्चे की आयरन की एब्जॉर्प्शन कई गुना बढ़ जाती है. सेकेंड टिप आई वुड लाइक टू गिव कि आप बच्चे को मिलेट उसकी डाइट में, हफ्ते में अगर आप मिलेट नहीं खिलाते हैं तो हफ्ते में 1 बार से लेकर 4 बार जरूर दें. We have 8 millets in India. You can follow our Instagram. We keep regularly posting the importance of millets, and there are several recipes that you can make out of millet. कई बार टेस्ट अक्वायर होता है. सो जैसे बच्चे किनुआ अक्वायर कर रहे हैं तो why not our millet? एक बच्चा 6 महीने की उम्र से रागी खा सकता है, which is a kind of, you can say, very good mineral rich food. 1.25 साल की उम्र से वो सारे 8 मिलेट्स खा सकता है. सो यू कैन इंक्लूड दैट इन योर डाइट. सो हफ्ते में 3 से 4 बार जरूर दें. बाकी रोटी राइस तो आप देंगे ही, साथ में इसको ऐड करें. थर्ड टिप आई वुड लाइक टू गिव इज कीप चेंजिंग योर पल्सेस. सो आप एक पल्स ना खिला करके बारी बारी से आप दालों को चेंज करके खिलाएं. हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारी दालें हैं एंड हर दाल अलग न्यूट्रिएंट में रिच है. दाल में ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आप उसको भिगोएं और हींग ज़रूर डालें. फोर्थ थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, मेक आमंड अ हैबिट. सो बच्चे की मॉर्निंग में आप आमंड ज़रूर खिलाएं. गिव देम मामरागिरी, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड वैरायटी ऑफ आमंड. मेक श्योर यू सोक देम एंड द चाइल्ड च्यूज इट वेरी वेरी वेल. जैसे दादी नानी कहती थी कि आप पीस कर दो बच्चे को. वाई? बिकॉज वो चबाता नहीं है. मगर अगर बच्चे को आप अगेन वो अवेयर कराते हैं, उसको वो उस तरीके से आप भी च्यू करते हैं और उसको इम्पोर्टेंस बताते हैं कि उसको पीस, अगर दांत से आप पीस कर खाओगे तभी उसका न्यूट्रिएंट आपकी बॉडी को अवेलेबल होगा. सो द एसेंशियल फैटी एसिड्स इन आमंड विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर द चाइल्ड. Fifth thing I would like to say is chena. I hope you know the difference between chena and paneer. Again, we have posted. You can go and see what is the difference between chena and paneer. So the best bioavailable protein for kids is chena. So this छेने में आपको ये देखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि किस मिल्क सोर्स से बना हुआ है. सो अगर A2 गाय का दूध है सो बेस्ट है. बफलो भी चलेगा बट A2 गाय इज द बेस्ट. किड का दूध से बना छेना विल बी द बेस्ट अवेलेबल फॉर द चाइल्ड्स बॉडी. इसमें आई कैन से द वे वाटर इज लैक्टोज फ्री. जब छेना बनाते हैं तो वे वाटर भी अलग होता है. तो मेक श्योर दैट वे वाटर इज गिवन टू द चाइल्ड एट लीस्ट 2 टीस्पून 4 टीस्पून उसकी लाइकिंग के हिसाब से. So there are various ways you can include chena and whey water in the child's diet. Like आपने छेने के तो sandwiches से लेकर के बहुत सारी चीजें बना सकते हैं. Whey water से you can knead the dough. You can put it in curries. You can put it in dal. You know, while you're making some cutlet, you can put 1 or 2 teaspoons or tablespoon of it. So this way you will be giving a very high quality protein to the child. Next is set your curd at home. Because when you set your curd at home, so that culture जो आपके कर्ड से, जिस कल्चर से आपने कर्ड बनाया है, that is actually the gut bacteria that your आपकी पूरी फैमिली की गट में होता है. So वो ट्रेडिशन अब हटता जा रहा है, मार्केट वाला कर्ड आता जा रहा है. So make sure you set the curd at home. And अगर मिट्टी में करें तो काफी अच्छा जमता है. Again, the source of milk will be important. Next, and very important, the child's diet should have diversity. So diversity, अगर डाइवर्सिटी डाइट में आती है तो गट की बैक्टीरिया बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है. So how can you get that? By choosing seasonal, local, regional fruits and vegetables. हमारे इंडिया में आप 12 महीने देखेंगे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स आते हैं. यू डोंट नीड टू फ्रीज एंड हैव वन थिंग. इफ यू आर जैसे इस वक्त मुसम्मी, पोमेलो, नाशपाती, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग फ्यू, गुआवा एंड पाइनएप्पल इज जस्ट गॉन. सो ऐसे देखेंगे मार्केट में तो बार बार, फिर कभी जामुन आएगा, then of course amla is coming. So fruits and vegetables सालों भर आते रहते हैं. If you make different recipes and different things, interesting things, and you must educate your child why it is important. अभी आप देखेंगे कि विटामिन B12 की deficiencies when I started working इतनी नहीं आती थी, अभी बहुत आ रही है. इसके 2 रीजन है. एक तो आटा मिल्ड खाने लगे हैं, मिलेट्स नहीं खाते हैं. दूसरा, अच्छे ऑयल खाना बंद कर दिया तो अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती. और लास्ट यही रीजन है कि हम सीजनल फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स वैरायटी नहीं खा रहे. सो देन द चाइल्ड विल गेट हुक्ड ऑन टू मल्टीविटामिन्स. सो देयर इज एन array ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स which you can choose. Just open your eyes and see क्या मिल रहा है. We are blessed in Lucknow. You get all. And there is a huge variety, very interesting also. And जब आप seasonal चीज pick करते हैं तो वो बहुत juicy भी होता है और बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है. And आप बच्चे की mindset उस तरफ divert करते हैं तो जो child grows very well. So if you incorporate these points, अगर आप start करिए इन चीजों को include करना, आप 2-3 महीने में फर्क महसूस करेंगे.
Thank you so much. I think we all will be trying out these tips in our daily routines because they sound so important and yet simple that they can be done. And we have a few questions from the audience, Luna, and we shall take up queries from all in the chat box. So all the audience are requested to please type your questions in the chat box and we'll ask them. Like,
Also, if you want to,
Niyati,
yes.
would you
Yeah.
Niyati, would you read it for me?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
I was just going to say,
Right.
if you want to also ask yourself, you can raise your hands and we'll unmute you. So, but we'll
Yes.
start with the audience questions first. I think Aditi's posted something. So, Niyati.
Right. Yeah. So Aditi's asked a question, Luna, that can fruits substitute a normal meal for a child? And because he happily eats the fruits but not the meal.
See, not where. What age is the child? What is the age of the child?
Aditi, if you could please confirm the age of the child.
So Aditi, I can say, 3. It's not a very good idea to substitute. Sometimes it's fine. Because if supposing आप milk shake दे रहे हैं तो फिर भी वो complete है. सिर्फ fruit is not a complete meal. And as I told you, first 5 years, the 1800 days, बच्चे की brain की growth होती है. तो आप एक diversity नहीं लाएंगे तो बच्चे की full growth नहीं होगी. Okay? So कभी कभी की बात अलग है. And it's so you're lucky that your child really likes fruit. So make sure आप meal के बीच में दें fruit. और अगर फिर भी वो जिद करते हैं तो कभी कभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं, but try to make the meal very balanced for the child.
Second question is from Sonakshi. She's asked, how can we substitute milk with other food? Like they don't want to drink milk. I think this is also a very controversial topic that we all would like to know about.
Yeah, and I think
Right,
Shreya
right.
has also asked similarly if milk is a friend or foe for a child system. So I think we can cover these two.
Yeah, there are two things.
Yeah.
See, friend or foe is another thing, and substituting is there are two questions. So, first would be uh, like आप बच्चे को the first question was like milk के substitutes क्या क्या हैं, right? सो फर्स्ट 7 years बच्चे को मिल्क ज़रूर देना चाहिए, क्योंकि रिसर्चर्स कहती हैं कि 7 साल के उम्र तक हमारी बॉडी में वो एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो मिल्क को मेटाबोलाइज कर लेते हैं, उसको उसकी सिंथेसिस के लिए एंजाइम्स बनते हैं हमारी बॉडी में। 7 years के बाद नहीं बनते। So if your milk source is very good, you must give milk to the child. There is no other substitute. But कई लोगों के मिल्क सोर्स अच्छे नहीं होते, बच्चे के डाइजेशन में दिक्कत आती है, सो ऐसे में फिर छेना इज अ गुड ऑप्शन, बिकॉज ब्रेक डाउन होकर आपके अवेलेबल हो जाता है बॉडी के लिए। सेकेंड कर्ड है। If you are looking for soy milk and almond milk, I am going to say no for the child. So it's Lucknow will be is blessed. आप बच्चे के लिए लखनऊ में मिल्क अरेंज कर सकते हैं। लखनऊ में अभी वो स्थिति नहीं आई है कि आपके बच्चे को दूध नहीं मिलेगा अच्छा। So a good source is important, and till 7 years I think milk देना चाहिए। And अगर बच्चा मिल्क का टेस्ट पसंद नहीं करता, like I also never liked so Bonvita, that white milk I never liked, so खजूर डाल करके, केला डाल करके, आम मैंगो शेक इज द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन विथ मिल्क, या फिर कस्टर्ड बना दीजिए। सो इस तरीके या किसी तरीके का खजूर शेक और एनी अदर शेक, यू नो, नट शेक बनाकर आप दे सकते हैं बच्चे को। But I would say try and include milk, and please don't go in for almond milk, oats milk, soy milk, blah blah for a 3 to 7 year old child. But if still the child is intolerant, you can try chena and curd.
Thank you, Luna. Then we have a question from Circular Sonia. She's asked, if a child is eating more sweets in a day, is it normal? He craves for sweeter things more.
Craves for, sorry?
Sweeter things. Well, I think he craves for sweeter things. So, is it?
Here, again, the age is, so I would say please mention the age also. So, but largely this is not a balanced approach. If the child is looking for easy energy giving food, that means child की या तो energy breakdown बहुत ज़्यादा है, उसका हाथ बार बार instant energy वाली चीज़ों पे जा रहा है, which is sweet. So something is missing in the diet.
Okay. And she has also asked, only soaked almonds are suggested to eat directly, or can we eat direct also without soak?
Soaked, the availability to the body of soaked almond is much better. Soaked and peeled, the way we always had, आप अपने बचपन में याद करिए आपको कैसे मिलता था आमंड। And Lucknow is warm, so you cannot have, and in peak winters also soaked body को available बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। See what you assimilate in your system, जो digest होके nutrient में तभी तो convert होता है।
In what form can amla be eaten?
Amla can be eaten in any way. Pickle to boiled, तो अगर आपने छोले बनाने हैं या आप दाल बना रहे हैं उसमें उबाल दिया, उसका न्यूट्रिएंट आ गया। आप आमले को जैसे भी दे सकते हैं बच्चे को, उसको इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं सूप्स में डाल करके, जिस भी तरीके से। अगर आप घर पे कैंडी बनाते हैं, mild sugar is good for child. A balanced approach is good for child. So an amla shot is not good for child. But still, अगर बच्चा बिल्कुल नहीं खा रहा है तो फिर आप 1 चम्मच दे दीजिए, that's the but best choice would be in these ways. सो अगर आप बच्चे को दाल चावल दे रहे हैं दोपहर में, यू कैन पुट एन आमला पिकल, यू कैन डू आमला चटनी, और आप दालों में डाल सकते हैं. सो अभी सीजन आ गया है, टिल मार्च आमला विल बी देयर. So extensively it can be used in the diet.
I think Sonia wants to, she's raised her hand as well. Pankuri, if you could unmute. I circular Sonia, if you could want to, if to unmute. Okay.
Yeah. My question is, my child used to eat more sweeter things. Like generally he asks for any mithai, laddu, anything. It is there. So I usually used to give. But is it not normal? So I should recommend any doctor for it?
We did answer this, but good, I'm interacting with you one on one. So Sonia, क्या आपका बच्चा पूरा खाना खाता है और फिर स्वीट की डिमांड करता है? और स्वीट में आप कौन सा स्वीट उनको देते हैं? You'll have to unmute, Sonia. You'll have to unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, so someone is writing voice is not coming. So could you hear me? So Sonia, आपका बच्चा पूरा खाना खाता है और फिर स्वीट की डिमांड करता है? I think Sonia is not able
Yeah,
to
I
hear.
think maybe chat would be a better option, Sonia. If are you able to
Hello.
hear?
Sonia, are you able to hear me? If yes, you can put it in the chat box.
Yeah. I guess while we're waiting for Sonia, maybe we could
Yeah,
move to the
yeah.
next one. So
All right.
Akansha's also raised her hand for a while, so maybe you can.
So I did answer Sonia's question, but my question to Sonia still remains. You can ask her on her chat that is the child eating and then asking, and what is she giving? Is she giving desi mithai? Is she giving halwa? Or what is she giving to the child as mithai?
Okay.
So
Yes,
next, Akanksha.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Akanksha.
Hi, thank you so much for so many information. Actually, I just want to ask you, my son is 7 years old and he doesn't eat any fruit. Till the age of 2 or 2.5, I used to give him grated fruits, all the fruits in a grated way. But after that, he left and he lost interest. And now the position is like, if I want him to touch the fruit, he doesn't want to. He has started hating all the fruits. He doesn't even taste it. And the thing is, now it's being very a problem for me. What should I do with that?
कई सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो फ्रूट्स नहीं खाते, कुछ बच्चे सब्जियां नहीं खाते. ये कॉमन कंप्लेंट होती है.
Okay.
So this is child's personal choice. So आप इसके लिए मैं लॉन्ग टर्म, मैंने शॉर्ट टर्म बहुत करके देखा, काम नहीं करता. तो लॉन्ग टर्म में आप वही 16 टाइम्स उसके सामने लाते हैं, वो वाला चीज आप उनके साथ कर सकते हैं अलग अलग तरीकों से. कस्टर्ड में डाल दीजिए वगैरह वगैरह, मिल्क शेक
Actually he doesn't eat any sweets. No, he doesn't eat any sweets. I mean, no chocolates, no toffees, because I never introduced all these things. So उसका वो taste develop ही नहीं हुआ. So now he thinks कि ये भी sweet way है, so I don't want to eat. उसको अब वो somehow उसने अपने mind में बिठा लिया that I don't want to eat because it's sweet.
सो आप उनको पहले तो अवेयर कराइए. दूसरा, सीजनल चीजें अलग अलग इतनी सारी वैरायटी हैं, आप ला के खाइए, हो सकता है एक साल में वो भी खाने लग जाए.
See, I eat many fruits. I love fruits. इनफैक्ट मैं उसके सामने ही बैठ के खाती हूँ. आई एनकरेज हिम, बहुत करती हूँ, बट नो वेज, वो टच भी नहीं करता है.
इवन लाइकिंग नहीं है उसके लिए.
उनकी लाइकिंग. सो व्हाट शुड आई डू?
यू विल हैव टू कीप पेशेंस. यू विल हैव टू कीप ट्राइंग, बिकॉज़ ये बच्चे.
व्हाट अबाउट द न्यूट्रिएंट्स? अब वो जो मिस कर रहा है.
न्यूट्रिएंट जो है, आप वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं वो,
vegetables. He eats vegetables.
सो
Yeah.
दैट इज अ सेविंग ग्रेस. और कोई ना,
Okay.
अगर वो बनाना अगर खा लेते हैं तो भी, बनाना मैंगो खा लेते हैं तो भी इट वर्क्स वेरी वेल.
No,
तो
बिल्कुल
पेशेंस
नहीं होता.
पड़ेगा, बिकॉज वही एक तरीका है. और
Okay.
आप इंट्रोड्यूस करते रहिए, आप हिम्मत मत हारिए, मैं ये कह सकती
Okay. Okay, fine. And one more thing only.
हूँ.
Actually, you to
सॉरी.
yeah, tell me.
So as far as nutrients are concerned, बाकी
Mm-hmm.
और चीजें डाइवर्स हैं उनकी डाइट में,
Okay.
तो
Okay.
इट विल नॉट बी अ मिसिंग थिंग. आप छेने
Okay.
का थोड़ा वे वाटर इंक्लूड करिए, नट्स डाल दीजिए, किशमिश खिलाइए, वो भी तो ड्राइड फ्रूट है, बट इन
Okay.
अ स्मॉलर क्वांटिटी. मेक श्योर यू सोक देम
मैम
ग्रेजुअली.
जो छेना आप बोल रहे हैं वो मतलब वो किस वे, वो रेगुलर वे में दे सकते हैं या लाइक 2-3 days in a week like this?
3-4 days in a week it is given to
Okay.
the child, but whey water you can give it 5-6 times a week, because it is 2 से
Okay.
4 से 5 चम्मच.
Okay.
I
Okay.
have seen
And
many
ma'am,
children just having it with चम्मच से, या वो ड्रिंक भी करते हैं थोड़ा 50 ml
okay.
times. But many mothers
Okay.
put it
Okay.
also, they put it in the curries also. So
Okay. Okay.
and the child is having curd.
Okay.
So if the child is not having fruit.
Okay. Okay. And ma'am, you told us कि जो it would be better कि जो almonds लेना है that would be in a soaked way, वो ज़्यादा better रहेगा. तो is it okay in winters also?
Winters, yes, round the year almond can be given
Okay.
to the child.
No, in a soaked
Unless,
way.
yes, see, अगर आप विंटर्स में देते हैं तो हल्के से घी में उसको देखिए, see,
Roast करके.
yes, see, nuts are very heavy.
Okay.
They are very dense.
Yeah.
So either roasted in ghee or soaked is a good way to include in the
I mean
child's diet
in winters also.
during
Wi-
winters. But soaked
Winters.
is much better.
Okay.
So that
Winters हो,
almond
summer so
habit
doesn't matter.
समर में तो मस्ट है.
हाँ, वो
विंटर में
तो
आप
सब
रोस्ट
winters
करके देंगे घी
roast.
में उनको, बट
Yeah.
the almond habit which is to be made is soaked
Yeah.
and peeled almond to be chewed well. That is
Okay.
the almond habit the child should make. But
Okay.
otherwise,
Thank you.
yes,
Thank you. Thank you, Akansha. I
Okay.
think we have a
Thank
couple.
you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
we have Meghnit.
Yeah, we have Meghnat's hand raised, and we have a few more questions on the chat. So, we'll,
Hi.
yeah.
So my son is 2, and I have tried offering him meals out of our family pot, but
Meghnat, you're on mute. We can't hear you, Meghnat.
yeah, now I think I
Yeah.
was not allowed to get unmuted. Okay, so my son is 2, and he doesn't really eat much out of the family pot, so I have to make special meals for him. So that includes all the nuts, the millets you were talking about, the vegetables, different kinds of pulses, and whatever. I give him chicken soup every day, and I give him egg. So my only issue is that he's going to be 2 tomorrow. So from till 1 year, his growth patterns were really good, but since like a year, he hasn't gained weight at all, and just a little bit of height. So is that normal, or should I be making changes in his diet?
So if the child is going to be 2, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Secondly, you must ask your doctor about the growth chart, whether he is
Okay,
growing
okay, okay.
well. If the doctor has to confirm this, कि जिस
Okay.
उनकी जो graph, I'm sure you
Mm.
graph. So
Yeah. Yeah, so the graph is all over the place. It's not completely perfect, but diet wise, I've tried to follow all the, I read off the internet, everything. So I try to include everything in his diet, but he loves to, even after his meals, he has this habit of nibbling a lot. So I don't know if it's because he doesn't want to eat more out of in his meal times.
So you must see how is the
He
child
nibbles all day.
stool.
He wants.
You must see how is the child's stool's consistency. So the stool consistency
That's all
is
normal.
fine,
All normal.
all
Everything else is
normal.
fine.
All right, all right. So then this is an individual thing.
Yeah, yeah.
This you will have to look into the diet, what is missing, because largely this cannot be answered like this. Because what is
On
missing
her
in one
dietary, this thing. Yeah.
on like on a generic
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
note, it cannot, because this you'll have to get it, what you are giving,
Yeah, yeah. I
how
get
the
your
child
thing.
is growing, and what is the missing ingredient
Maybe
in
I'll.
this.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
one thing is sure, that the child is the habit of nibbling will not is not a healthy habit, because वो nibble करने की जो
I know.
आदत आएगी तो मील टाइम पर नहीं खाएंगे.
Well, actually, in a joint family, what happens is the child is moving around the house, going to every room and picking up stuff and just things. So that's just a habit. Maybe
And
he's
I'm
picked
sure
up,
your child is
but that's
active.
all right.
I'm sure your child
Yeah,
is
yeah,
active.
completely. Everything else.
All right. Only
Yeah,
one
yeah, yeah,
concern is there,
completely.
that he hasn't gained any weight in past 1 year. So this you must ask the
Yeah.
doctor and then make the necessary changes.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So we'll take a few questions from the chat box.
Yeah.
Uh, so Shreya has asked that is milk friend or a foe for a child system, because we've all grown up with the concept that milk is best for the child. But in today's day, a lot of pediatricians are discouraging the intake of milk. And she says that my daughter doesn't take milk as such, but in form of oats or dalia. And she has a lean figure, so generally she is suggested to make her drink more milk. So what would you advise on that?
See, yes, first and foremost milk लेना चाहिए. सोर्स अच्छा नहीं है तो फिर हो सकता है ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो. सी द चाइल्ड गट इज डिटर्मिन्ड फ्रॉम द व्हेन ही इज आउट ऑफ द वूम. वो मदर की भी वो लेकर पैदा होते हैं. So maybe if the mother has some kind of intolerances, maybe the milk sourcing is not good, then it can be a foe. Otherwise, I told you, look for good milk, and the child should be able to digest it, then go in for it, but certainly not oats milk or soya milk for the child, because they have bacteria, they have that bacteria enzyme to digest the milk.
Yeah. I think another one related to milk by Meenal is if it's safe to give hot and warm milk in a plastic bottle.
Not at all, because plastic actually वो उससे react करता है, and it is actually not good in a hot milk in a plastic bottle. Use steel या फिर glass.
Hmm.
That is better. That is better. Even virgin plastics are not good.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
So कांच best होगा.
Okay.
And then Devanshi has asked how to make millets more interesting for the child. Like ragi and all are quite dry. So any tips on that?
Yes, we have millets idlis coming up. Millets की idli बनती है. Not only ragi, there are kodo millet. There are pastas made out of millets. So जैसे आप आजकल देखते हैं कि किनुआ इतना ज़्यादा, it's all over. You will hear everyone saying, I made quinoa salad, I made quinoa pulao. But if you have eaten quinoa, you have to acquire that taste of quinoa. Similarly, once you make those idlis or other pastas or all those things, तो थोड़ा taste तो acquire करना पड़ता है. But I have seen children liking kodo millet ki idlis, and all people are actually making. Try them. हो सकता है एक आध बार खराब बने, and then it comes out good.
Right. I
Akansha has
think,
raised her hand. I can see this.
yeah, I think we have time for just one last question. So uh, maybe Akansha, you can go next.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
Uh, I wanted to ask two things. Firstly, how many?
I think got muted again, Pankuri.
Yeah, can you
Yeah,
hear
okay.
me?
Now we can hear you.
Yeah. So my first question is that how many times a day should we give our children milk? Say if, one is 5 and the other is 10.
Okay, so the 10-year-old can take 1 or 2 times, depending the tolerance and the liking also. But 2 बार भी दे सकते हैं, and you can judge by the stool, the consistency of stool.
Okay.
And the nail growth. Your other one is 3-year-old.
Six. Almost six. Almost 6.
6-year-old is again individualistic. You can give 3 to 4 times, but
Really?
but in many form like chena, curd. So 3 glasses of milk can be given depending on the activity level.
No, just
So
milk. Like they're
just
having
milk,
curd
2
and
glass
paneer.
is good. No, just milk is 2 glass.
Okay. Okay. And one more question. What's your opinion about giving eggs to children? Like the season wise? Like I think summers में थोड़ा कम देना चाहिए. And
See, again the source should be good, and of course summers में थोड़ा कम, but again अगर बच्चे को कुछ eruptions नहीं आ रहे हैं तो आप दे सकते हैं. What is important, you must add pepper to the egg,
okay.
because that's how it's better digested, and you must give the child whole egg, not white अलग से,
Right.
योग अलग से. होल एग खिलाइए, और विंटर्स में ज्यादा खिला सकते हैं, समर में अपने बच्चे के हिसाब से खिला सकते हैं.
And
The key is that rule.
has egg anything to do with early onset of puberty? I've heard this myth.
Yes,
Is it a myth or is it a fact?
वो बहुत गर्म होता है ऐसा कहते हैं, but things are changing because the sources are changing. The sources are rapidly changing. The feed that is given to what we are eating, the quality has majorly changed.
Right.
But yes, few girls do get a lot of pimples or acne by having egg. This is the truth. Then stop during that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
I think in interest of time, we'll just take one last question. I know we have more questions, but I think given the time,
Don't worry, I'm okay. I
okay,
will answer all the questions. If
okay.
by Wednesday, I'll answer all the questions.
Thank you, Mrs. Luna. So Priyanka has asked if there's a list of good food for height gain. I think that's an interesting one. We've heard.
Yes. So height gain, basically हाइट गेन के लिए सबसे पहले शुगर से दूर रखिए. दैट डजंट मीन बी वेरी फिनिकी और एकदम जीरो कर दीजिए. दैट डजंट मीन. So you can give mild sugar. What sugar is to be avoided is the polished sugar. जो sugar बहुत polished होती है, white in color. You can give mishri to the child, a better or a sulfur-free sugar. That is better. और क्या what is good for child's height is काले चने, banana and almonds. Kale chane, banana and almonds are very good for the child's height. And if need be, you can give cow's milk में थोड़ा ashwagandha powder. But this is again subjective. This is a therapy. So you must actually ask and then start, because this can be, this can be interfering with few things. But largely in a generic manner, these food are very good for height gaining. But and also the child should be doing a reaching out wali activity, like reaching out to ऊपर शेल्फ, या वो जो टंगते हैं, या फिर बास्केटबॉल खेलते हैं, या टेनिस, समथिंग टू रीच आउट, या ताड़ आसन लगाते हैं. सो इन कॉम्बिनेशन द चाइल्ड कैन गेन हाइट, बट बहुत छोटे एज से आपको कराना पड़ेगा. एंड हाइट गेन सिर्फ 1 या 2 इंचेस की मिलती है, जो कि काफी होती है एक्स्ट्रा फ्रॉम योर जेनेटिक मेक. I can see Shreya is.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello.
Thank you for the milk thing, because my first daughter, I put up a fight and I gave her milk. My second one, she's 1.5 right now, and invariably nobody wants. She's not had milk, like the pure form of milk. I give her in different forms, in dalia, oats, and custard, and I wanted to know what is the right age to start chicken and egg for a child, because a lot of internet research says that you shouldn't give them animal protein before 3.
See,
So
the chicken quality has gone down. Broiler chicken is majorly
Right.
gone down. So this is again the gut diversity. अगर आप चिकन सूप वगैरह दे सकते हैं 2 साल की उम्र से, ग्रेजुअली अगर बच्चा डाइजेस्ट कर रहा है तो 2 साल की उम्र से आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. बट
Okay, and
अगर
eggs?
फिर भी एग्स तो आप एग्स यू कैन गिव इट 6 मंथ्स से.
Okay.
एग योक आलू में मैश करके खिलाते थे, like you know, to gain weight for the children.
Yeah,
Because
my main concern with her is that only she's got a very lean figure. Though her growth chart, height-wise and activity and everything is quite good. It's above average. But only that she's very lean in her physique. So, you know, everybody keeps telling me, you give her more, you give her more. So, but she's having a balanced diet.
Yeah, is she sleeping well? Is she
Yeah.
not oversleeping or overeating? पूरे time hungry तो नहीं है?
नहीं.
So lean body, there are 3 body types ना, तो वो lean body type की हैं, अच्छी बात है ना?
बहुत अच्छी है.
That's a body type.
Yeah, she's fairly active. Like the moment she leaves, when she gets up, she gets down the bed herself. You don't have to wake her anything. She takes a 2-hour nap in the afternoon and good 8 to 9 hour straight on sleep at night. So that way she's doing well, and the height is also good. It's just that the weight is a little issue. Like she's 1.5 and she's about 10.5 kg. So people keep telling me ki kam hai. So I just want to be reassured that she's doing fine.
I think if वो लंबी तो है ना?
हाँ.
वेट तो आप कभी भी बढ़ा लेंगे. I think she's doing fine. वेट बढ़ाने के चक्कर में आप गलत कर सकते हैं. She's active and if you're feeding her well. And
yeah, she has about 5 to.
One thing I missed in the point is the child able to concentrate.
Yeah. She concentrates when she wants to.
Parameter, yes, when they want to. And I hope all the children are active, because children being active is very important.
The entire time she's awake, she's moving about in the house. She cannot sit. You can't make her sit.
So that's nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks, Shreya.
Welcome.
We have a question from Devanshi. Is it okay to give eggs every day?
This can be good, but this is subjective to how the child is growing, what is required. But yes, 5 to 6 eggs per week can be given. To how old is the child?
Ma'am, one child is 4.5 and other one is 8.5. I generally give eggs every day, and they like to eat egg every day.
So one egg, if they are digesting well, it's fine. Make sure you add pepper. And egg ka source अच्छा होना चाहिए. Slight pepper, it's digested well, it's assimilated well in the body.
Yeah. And these days, these organic eggs are been coming. So should be the preference.
Which egg?
Organic
eggs. These.
See, sourcing organic. If it is actually organic, then it's good. But otherwise, they're fooling you also. So
basically, knowing the source is very important.
It's yes. So you must अपने वो कहते हैं ना आँख कान खुले रखिए. You must a good egg smells.
Good egg smells.
Okay. अब वो धीरे-धीरे smell कम हो रहा है because of the feed, the kind of feed is given to the the chicken. So this is another topic of debate. Another topic of discussion. कैसे चीजों को परखें. But I'm sure ये जानना चाहिए.
Yeah, sometimes we get the
So-
eggs and egg is too smelly, and it gets difficult that is it okay to give such a smelly egg, or
Again, over smelly must be a rotten egg. That is detrimental to health. So if you take water in a एक गहरे बर्तन में पानी लें और अंडे को डालें, जो अंडे नीचे सेटल हो जाते हैं वो अंडे अच्छे होते हैं.
yeah.
जो तैरते हैं वो थोड़े पुराने हैं, जो ऊपर बिल्कुल आ जाते हैं और तैरते हैं वो तो सड़े होते हैं.
Reminds of that science experiment, sink and float wala.
Yes, sink and
that's a
float,
very
yeah.
good tip.
Yeah.
That's a very good
Right.
Thank you.
I think we'll circle back to Sonia. She was having network problems that time regarding that sweets intake for
Yes.
the child. So she's mentioned in the child that she gives a mixture of sweets like coconut laddu, homemade custard, fruit, and he asks for sweets at any point in time after the meal or before the meal. So means he waits till I give him. She basically asks him to complete the lunch first and then gives sweet. So is that okay or?
So Sonia, there are people I know who are lean and fit और वो रात में उठकर एक मिठाई जरूर खाते हैं या किशमिश जरूर खाते हैं, and they are lean and fit, and without that they are restless. So if your child is eating homemade laddus and आप उनके needs को देखते हुए दे रहे हैं, ओवर नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत बैड शुगर नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो सही कर रहे हैं. कुछ बच्चों की डिमांड होती है स्वीट की, तो आप कभी कभी डेट्स भी दे दीजिए, कभी तो आप उनकी स्वीट की डिमांड उनकी लगातार होती है बॉडी में, अच्छी क्वालिटी का आप स्वीट लगातार दे रहे हैं with the meal, not replacing it with a meal, it's a good idea. That's your child's need. और अभी भी I can tell you a 45-year-old male eats and he is fit and fine, but वो बचपन से ऐसा कर रहे हैं. Your gut adapts to things.
Grandparents also.
Full meals. Yeah. He's taking full meals, and after the meals, he asks for the sweet.
And
so
make sure that he's not overeating, and then overeating. Yeah, make sure that overeating is very bad.
Too active child, so that's why. Yeah.
Great.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks, Sonia.
Thank you.
We'll stop the questions here now. And I'll just summarize with a few takeaways. I know we've got very helpful tips. Thank you, Mrs. Luna. This was, for me, it was very helpful and informative. I'm sure for other mothers here, it was helpful as well. Basically, I think just to summarize in a couple of points, immunity is definitely not built in one day. It is something that is done over the course of time, or acha food, seasonal, healthy food in a balanced diet is very important. Iron is very important for kids, including, and vitamin C, helps in the absorption of iron. Thirdly, I think clinically, if the child is good height, weight, and is active, you make that generally means the parameters are okay. So that's one way of knowing that whether we are giving the right things to our kids or not. Chena is very good for kids. Chena, not paneer. There's a difference between that. So Chena is very good, and know the source of where you're getting your milk, your eggs, your chicken, because knowing the source is very important to giving the right nutrients early. And I think the last one, which my mother also keeps telling me, is soaking almonds and eating them every day, soaking and peeling almonds. So that helps in the right absorption of nutrients for the body. So I hope this was helpful for everyone. And I know we are constantly worried about our kids' nutrition, the growth, and the immunity levels. And especially in these trying times, right, where we're all worried about थोड़ा सा भी खांसी जुकाम हो जाता है तो सबको डर लगता है कि कुछ और तो नहीं है. So I think this was very helpful for us. We can use these tips to boost immunity for our kids, and also some tips I think we can also incorporate in our daily lives. A very big thank you.
I have one more question. Hi, Luna Bhabhi. I got distracted that time when I put up this question about the height. My daughter is 4. She's very thin. She eats her meals regularly. Yeah,
Just
can I
one
ask?
minute. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Please tell me.
My daughter is 4. She's just right now, she's just 14 kgs. And as far as her meals are concerned, she's taking all the meals, like proper breakfast. She takes
Come
eggs and
again, please.
everything.
Priyanka, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
My daughter is 4, Bhabhi, and she's quite thin. She hasn't gained much of height, so I'm a little concerned about her height. And she takes like proper meals. I have no issues related to her meals. She takes eggs daily and all. And you just mentioned for the height, we need to add ashwagandha in cow's
No,
milk.
you cannot do
No,
that.
no.
That's a therapy.
Okay,
Without
okay.
knowing the child's history, it's a therapy. You cannot do it. That can be counterproductive also. Randomly, don't do it.
Okay, okay.
You need to, understand how old is your child.
Okay,
अब आप बच्चे को ताड़ासन करवा सकते हैं,
okay,
something to reach out. These,
okay,
these to reach out. That
okay.
you can get. You include chana, banana, and almond every day, kind of.
Okay.
So, how old is your child, Priyanka?
She's 4.
हाँ, so आप इस एज से ट्राई करेंगे, आप कोई रॉड लगवा दीजिए किसी दरवाजे पे, आते जाते वो लटके, so that this muscle is used, so that way she can gain height. Don't random do
Okay.
the therapies just like that. That
Is
will
there any food combination that I can follow for specifically for the height? Is there any food combination?
food combination as such, proteins हैं, combination में तो वो balanced traditional diet ही अच्छी होती है.
Okay.
But largely आप हफ्ते में 5 दिन उनको काला चना दें, every day
Okay.
almond, okay, and banana every day. And वो reaching out, using these muscles या ताड़ासन कर रहे हैं, ये this should be, you can do this safely.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Priyanka.
Thank you.
And I just posted a link for Mrs. Luna's Instagram page by AdLife. Please follow her there. You'll constantly get new tips and information. And I think that would be very helpful for all of us. Again, thank you, Mrs. Luna, for joining us today. I think very, very helpful and informative. And thank you for gracing us with your presence.
Thank
Signing
you so
off.
much.
Yeah.
The pleasure was totally mine. I see I can take up Tanya if you guys have time.
Sure.
I think Tanya is raising her hand.
Hi, Tanya, would you? You'll have to unmute her.
Yeah, actually, I was not able to unmute. Yeah, hi, Luna Bhabhi. Just one question. That is, a fruit and a glass of milk, is it enough just before the lunchtime? Like, they say it's a complete
Before the
meal. Is
lunch,
it
it's a
true or
meal.
not?
Mango and milk is the best combination. Fruit and milk का जो best combination होता है वो mango और milk का होता है.
Yeah, I heard
And
that.
in between meal, see, it's a heavy food. Okay, so lunch primarily may get compromised if you're giving this milkshake in before lunchtime. So
Okay.
it's ideally, it would be better if you incorporate that in the evening.
All right.
For a better Agni development in the child, the better gut, this is a better option. क्योंकि अगर आप हर बार दोपहर के टाइम मतलब दूध का वो देंगे तो उनका लंच कम हो जाएगा, which is not a good practice for long run. कभी के लिए ठीक है. So
No, Bhabhi, what I mean is, like, is it a complete breakfast? Just a glass of milk? Yeah.
Can be sometimes.
Can be an alternate?
But,
okay, sometimes.
Can be sometimes because अगर आप हर बार वो देंगे तो पोहा, उपमा ये सब नहीं दे पाएंगे.
Right.
Millets वगैरह नहीं खिला पाएंगे.
Right. Thank you.
Even I have one last question actually.
Yes.
How important is D3 in for kids, say for at 2 years of age?
This is actually good this thing because अगर आपका बच्चा धूप में रहता है All
अभी
right.
तो बाहर जाना is very
Yes,
restricted
yes.
for kids.
Otherwise, so धूप का best time is 7 to 9 a.m. or 4:30 to 5 or let's say 4 to 5 p.m. और अगर बच्चा धूप के शेड में भी रहता है, so largely फिर भी उनको मिल सकता है, but फिर भी I have seen cricketers, these aspire छोटे cricketers जो हैं, वो धूप में रहते हैं, फिर भी उनको विटामिन डी की सप्लीमेंटेशन देना पड़ता है. So vitamin D is a very important vitamin for growth. So get it checked and make sure sunlight से अगर kidney converts it actually, अगर बहुत अच्छी conversion नहीं है तो supplement दीजिए. But make sure you get it tested and then, because इसका overdose is toxic.
Till what age should we be giving supplements regularly? Or
See, till the age of, that's why milk, a good source of milk is very important, and on whole egg is very important. That's how the child starts getting that vitamin D. और infant को अगर धूप में पलट कर लिटाते हैं, अगर आप ग्लास के थ्रू करते हैं तो वो धूप नहीं मिलता. सो इन्फेंट इफ यू रिमेम्बर, उनको धूप में लेटाते हैं और मालिश के बाद लेटाते हैं. सो अगर वो आप करते हैं, सो लार्जली द चाइल्ड इज ओके टिल 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. जब साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स आते हैं तो टेस्ट करा के देना चाहिए सप्लीमेंट.
Okay, interesting. Thank you.
All right, it was lovely being with you all. I hope it was helpful for you all.
Definitely. I can say for myself personally, truly helpful.
Ma'am, I would like to ask one question which always keeps triggering in my mind, is that many times we give Yakult and things like Pediasure to the kids. So are they really helpful for the growth of the child, or there's just the add-ons which we keep giving?
Yakult is fine. But depending for good probiotic, only giving Yakult, अगर आप इसलिए दे रहे हैं कि एक अच्छी चॉइस है, अच्छा प्रोबायोटिक फूड है, तो सही है. बट डू यू नो दैट याकूल्ट ठंडा ही इफेक्टिव होता है. जब आप बाहर निकाल देते हैं उसको तो बैक्टीरिया इज लल, इट डजंट वर्क. एंड Pediasure is a packaged combination. I'm not very good with Pediasure. So what people are doing, not giving good milk and giving Pediasure. तो जब आप इम्यूनिटी की बात करते हैं तो डब्बे वाला मिक्स्ड मिल्क इज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया राइट फ्रॉम द इन्फेंट एज. वो सूजी का खीर, वो ऑल दीज रागी का खीर एंड ऑल आर बेटर आइडियाज. जो फेरेक्स वगैरह के तो मैं तो बिल्कुल ही खिलाफ हूँ. यू कैन फीड योर चाइल्ड घर के खाने से राइट फ्रॉम द 3 months old. You don't need Pediasure or all these things. If you take out milk and all, then you have to depend on these things.
Thank you. Thank you.